Here's Max playing with his new toy.
A toy squirrel.
It's a giant squirrel that makes noise. It's a dog toy. Kill it, Max.
He makes us crazy now tonight, Martin.
Kill it.
Did you send it to Bertha?
No, I'm filming it. Get it, Max. He's having a blast with it.
Yeah.
It's gonna get away. Kill it. He's taking it. No little tiny squeaky mice for Max. He likes the big ones. He's tearing it up. You might have to buy him another one.
That's okay.
Get it. It doesn't even have catnip in it. He's tearing it up.
Send it to Christopher.
Yeah. I have to send it on Chelsea's number.
Yeah.
Christopher's got the cheesy phone.
Yeah.
It won't pick it up.
Yes, send it to Chelsea.
Tearing it up.